This video chart presentation of Revolutions Medical Corp, brought to you by allpennystocks.com. Revolutions Medical is an OTCQB company trading under ticker RMCP. It's one of our U.S. technical stocks to watch this week. See it closed Friday with a strong day, up 21%. Volume 468,000 shares traded. That's certainly a spike in volume, making a higher low relative to this move in December where it dipped all the way down to around 11 cents. I'm going to keep an eye on this next week, see if it's going to make a stronger push, go up and try and blow through this 200-day moving average. Move on Friday's got the 12 EMA turning back towards the 26 in the MACD. Seeing the histogram trending slightly higher, but looks like it's going to break back through zero. Of course, that would signify a bullish cross. What I see here is a nice pinch between the PPO and ADX, and the PPO holding right around zero, which is in a pretty nice position to potentially take on a bullish look. ADX is down very low, not a lot of strength in the direction in the play right now. Of course, what you look for there is to turn upward and initially break through 20 and ultimately through 30 to get into a true trend. Money flow index 7, 14, and 21 all holding over top of 50. That's a positive sign. Accumulation distributions also making slightly higher lows and pretty neutral but leaning towards the bullish side of things. Like to see this trade and money flow making this strong upward trend while selling pressures been dominant, buying pressures overtaking it, and that's shown by the trade and money flow breaking back above zero and into the green, so to speak. CCI coming off a low, turning upward. Full stow similarly showing some momentum's trying to come into this play. And all you can look for in the tricks, something along those lines. You really want to see it hold around zero, drop another bullish cross. RSIs all pushed through 50 with the buying pressure, showing some momentum is indeed coming into the play. So we're not seeing a lot of negative in the indicators. That's why we take a quick look at them. What I'd look for in the candles, undoubtedly this bottom support at 19 cents to hold. If it can't hold, the odds are really increased it's going to come back down here and potentially go all the way back down and test that bottom at 11 cents. But right now it is holding over the 50-day. It's something that you want to see. Candles trending over top of that will turn the 50 up towards the 200, and a break of the 50 through the 200 is called a golden cross. That's a bullish indication in technical trading. As far as resistance goes, it did push through a little bit right there at 22 cents. It was a pretty strong support level, serving as a little bit of resistance right in here in the last few weeks, but it's going to run into some more up here around 27. That's the first place I expect to see it start to pick up. Of course, in order to make it there, it has to push through this dynamic resistance of the 200-day, which is always a challenge, because the 200-day always serves as a pretty strong area of dynamic resistance. Beyond that, you're looking for the 30 range, and certainly 32. Did peak out. Some top-end resistance is going to be pretty tough for it, right around 35 cents. But even when it has moved above it, it's come quickly back down below and struggled with moving and holding above 32. So I'd expect that to be a pretty tough spot for it. If it can break through that, I certainly want to see volume staying strong, so it'll really increase the odds it'll take out this top then and try and hold above it. But even where it sits right now, closing at 23 cents, there's a pretty substantial upside to it, more than 10% to even go up here and challenge this resistance. You're getting pretty close to the area of 50% to go up here and challenge this 32-cent mark. It's hitting the watch list this week, though, because this big spike in volume that came in, oftentimes volume's a prelude to a stronger move, and for that reason it'll stay on watch to see if it's going to continue the upward pressure. Any slip back, I'd look for it to hold 19 cents. Those are the type of things that I'll be looking for in the RMCP chart. But as always, this is merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant. I strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure. Do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching. Trade smart.